Greetings and good day to Salzburg Institute committees. My name is Eric Lin. I'm one of the dermatology residents working with Professor Jack Lee and my fellow resident Candy Huang on this particular project entitled Building a Dermatological Social Network in the Cloud for Lifelong Learning. Taipei Medical University is one of the best medical universities in downtown. It is located near one of the world's tallest buildings called Taipei 101. It has approximately 6,000 students and 1,100 medical students. It has 3 teaching hospitals with a total of 3,000 beds, and Wanfang Hospital is one of the top medical centers in Taipei, and our Department of Dermatology currently performs approximately 1,500 skin biopsies each year.
The aim of our project is to create a real-time social network for medical professionals in the field of dermatology and pathology around the world using iSlide. iSlide is essentially high-definition, high-resolution digital clinical pathological images that are zoomable. The very large-scale zoomable iSlide images can be viewed under any browser supporting Adobe Flash using image streaming technology even with low network bandwidth. These digital images will be served through streaming technology similar to map data on Google Maps or video data on YouTube. So iSlide has many uses. We would now like to present you a case study of one of our patients in demonstrating how iSlide is currently used in our institute for the education of our medical students and dermatology residents. So here is a case of a young lady, 17-year-old, who presents with a 1-month history of whitish discoloration thickening of her tongue. And in this particular presentation we have the relevant clinical information. We have clinical pictures for our medical students, as you can see. We have a list of clinical differential diagnoses. Okay, so our patient, Ms. Smith, ended up having a punch biopsy of a lesion on her tongue. And what we're looking at here is the iSlide interface. As you can see on the top left-hand corner, it's labeled iSlide project. So the skin biopsy of our patient has been uploaded to our computer and prepared in an iSlide format. So as you can see, at low power, you can see some epidermal changes, mainly acanthosis, and a band of infiltration along the dermal epidermal junction. And if we go to high power, you can see focal parakeratosis, some cytoid bodies, basal baculation representing the interface change. And if we enlarge this further, we can see that the cell infiltration along the dermal epidermal junctions are primarily lymphocytic and histiocytic.
So based on the pathological findings, we know that this patient has lichen planus of her tongue. And for the rest of this particular case presentation, which we will not go through completely, it has the relevant section on clinical course, response to treatment, and a section on discussion.
Okay, so this is just one of the 10 cases that we've electronically prepared for our students at Taipei Medical University and for the residents at Department of Dermatology at Wanfang Hospital. A web portal has been created and accessible to our students and our residents. As you can see, with the right account, name and password, they can log on and they would be able to go through all of these 10 cases at their own time. So between August 2010 and October 2010, 42 participants have completed the 10 case studies, and all of them have completed a feedback questionnaire consisting of 12 items. And as you can see on the graph, the majority of people found iSlide and the 10 study cases to be either very helpful The iSlide project can be a powerful educational tool that effectively complements traditional methods of teaching and learning in dermatology and pathology. Such detailed and interactive pathology interface with high-resolution images could not have been obtained via the internet previously with a desirable speed. So this project is just one of the many examples of the cloud computing paradigm. Its application has tremendous potential and can be easily implemented to serve all the members of the American Academy of Dermatology around the world. So our future plans. We would first like to create a cloud-supported platform for hosting all the iSlide and user interactions in this field. We would then like to implement this technology to the next level, which is social network-based learning project, and ultimately, and hopefully that the social network will encourage user-generated content. We would like to thank the Salzburger Institute committees for considering our application. We believe that our project can be a very productive and rewarding platform as a centerpiece of future learning for dermatologists around the world who appreciate ultra-high resolution zoomable clinical pathological images. As the famous adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words.